The newly developed customization program for the Smart Number One BRABUS introduces a selection of newly designed exterior components made of polyurethane. This innovative design sets it apart from other Number One models, featuring a body kit with performance-inspired, expressive spoilers at both the front and rear, complemented by striking side skirts. The Smart Number One BRABUS boasts a powerful two-engine all-wheel drive system, delivering 315 kilowatts, 428 horsepower, and 543 Newton-meters of torque. This remarkable power allows the Smart Number One BRABUS to accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.9 seconds, making it the most powerful and fastest smart car ever built. The new BRABUS customization program for the Smart Number One BRABUS includes 19-inch Monoblock Z light alloy wheels. For those seeking even greater exclusivity, there's an option for the striking design of Platinum Edition high-end wheels with a 21-inch diameter. Inside, the Smart Number One BRABUS features door sills with a backlit BRABUS logo and BRABUS aluminum pedals. Additionally, it includes high-quality black velour floor mats and a trunk lining, enhancing the interior's luxurious feel. This customization program truly elevates the Smart Number One BRABUS to a new level of performance and sophistication.